Mercedes. Бұл жағы Lamborghini. Mercedes'in daha bir türü. Бұл satışımız eкен. Excuse me, how much is car?
This one is LS 2011. This is very, very, very clean car. Because one owner used, okay, the kilometers, 40,000 kilometers, he make everything service with the dealer. And he already, this car already coming from the factory, something problem in gearbox. But he changed the gearbox with 120,000. And very, 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 everything now changed. And have ceramic from outside. This ceramic also around 6,000. To make.
No, thanks. Thank you. 6600 dirham ekan bu. Lamborghini. How much? Lamborghini. This one.
This one already sold. This is Murcielago SV Limited.
How much?
This 1,500,000 already sold out. Yeah.
1500. 1.500.000 dirham. Бұл шейхтің машинасы екен. 2000 километрде жүрген.
I have also Ferrari.
Ferrari'ni 50 milyon ekan бұл. Dirhamga. Dirham bizde 22'den.